We use wipes for so many things in our day-to-day lives, and almost all of these wipes are disposable and full of chemicals. In this video, we will share a few recipes for reusable wipes using natural and non-toxic ingredients. We're sure once you know how to make these for your makeup, house, and even babies, you'll always keep them handy. Everyone has been told that they should always remove their makeup before bed, and the easiest way to do this is with makeup wipes. Here's how to make ones that can be reused over and over and contain ingredients that are great for your skin. The things you will need are a glass jar, soft fabric, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, rose water, a pair of scissors. Take a glass jar and pour in half a cup of rose water. Rose water helps maintain the skin's pH balance and also has anti-inflammatory properties to reduce redness and puffiness. Now, pour in a quarter cup of jojoba oil to the jar. This multitasking oil is good for acne, sunburns, dry skin, and chapped lips. If you have dry skin, make your mixture more oil and less rose water. If you have oily skin, make it with less oil. Add in a few drops of vitamin E oil as well. Vitamin E is known to give extra nourishment to your skin and also helps to retain moisture, keeping it soft. Cut up your fabric into small squares and put them into your jar. Top it up with your solution, close, and then shake it well. This makeup remover will gently dissolve even waterproof makeup and soothe your skin, leaving it looking fresh and radiant. Did you know that a lot of household cleaning wipes contain bleach? As an alternative, here are our own fresh and eco-friendly cleaning wipes, which will leave your house looking and smelling its cleanest. The things you will need are a glass container, old towels or scraps of fabric, white vinegar, citrus fruit slices and peels, and citrus essential oil. Instead of throwing out your citrus peels from fruits like oranges and lemons, collect them and add them to a jar with vinegar. Make sure the peels are submerged and allow it to sit for a week. Once they have infused into the vinegar, you can strain them out. If you don't want to wait a week to make these helpful wipes, simply add a few drops of citrus essential oil instead. Fruits containing citric acid not only make your house smell beautiful, but also contain D-limonene, a natural solvent that cuts through grease and dirt in a flash. Put your towels into your jar, pour over your cleaning mixture, and replace the lid tightly. Shake your jar gently to get the wipes saturated. To use, pull out a wipe, squeeze out to let the excess liquid go back into the jar, and wipe any dirty surfaces away. Chemicals being used in the products that are for babies, like their wipes, can be very harsh. So instead, here's how to make some with natural ingredients that will leave your baby's skin soft and healthy. The things you will need are soft towels, coconut oil, baby wash or shampoo, lavender oil, a glass jar, a pair of scissors. Start by taking 2 cups of boiling water, then add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, which should melt into the water easily. Coconut oil is an antifungal ingredient and nourishes skin as it is a natural moisturizer. This makes it especially good for a baby's delicate and sensitive body. While this mixture cools down, cut your towel into large squares and place them in your glass jar. Once your oil and water mixture has cooled down, add 1 tablespoon of baby wash. Next, you can finish it off with 15 drops of lavender essential oil for added fragrance and stir it all together. Slowly pour the mixture into the glass jar over the towels and close it tightly with a lid so it absorbs the mixture for an hour and they are ready to use. Now that you see how simple it is to make these reusable wipes at home using natural ingredients, we're sure you'll never purchase a store-bought pack of wipes ever again. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.